God dang it. I'm still waiting for my RG351M to arrive, and they're freaking releasing a new RG351V. What the hell is going on? Double OTG, wood grain. Is this the Game Boy of the future, and I just paid all this money? Well, hey, let's take a break here. This is Anbernic for you, always enticing us with the latest and the greatest. Let's go ahead and jump into it and see what they got going for us. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this. Anbernic dropping a new video. It's a 3.5-inch screen, so it's a similar screen to the RG351 and the RG350, although it's in more of a Game Boy shell. Looks like it comes in a wood grain, a gray, and a white. Battery life, it's saying 6 hours, a 3900 milliamp battery. It's advertising the normal stuff, PlayStation, things like that. It's looking good. Stereo speakers, you get the analog sticks. I'm sure the buttons are fairly nice. Looking at the back here, it looks really clean. Looks like it comes out a little bit towards the bottom. The top isn't as thick as the bottom. You got those two, it looks like total of 4 bumper buttons. It doesn't look like those are analog buttons, but we'll find out. And then it looks like it has the volume and the micro SD slots. 6 hours of playtime. That rock chip processor is very power hungry. So if you missed my other reviews, I did a review on the 351. So as far as performance, you're going to be seeing something similar. It's not going to play perfect PSP and perfect Atomic Wave or Dreamcast, but it'll definitely play Nintendo DS, it'll definitely play PlayStation, and quite a few of the Nintendo 64 titles. Now, as far as the form factor, I have to say, nostalgic-wise, I think this looks way cooler than the RG350 or the 351. As far as performance, though, which is a lot of people's questions, I think it will be quite similar. Now, it does have some additional OTG things, and it looks like it might have built-in Wi-Fi to begin with. So as far as updating and adding ROMs, it should be easier than ever. As far as firmware flashing now, people have gotten very good with offering many different firmwares, so you will have quite a selection of firmwares to choose from if you want to just plug and play, or you want to download something a little newer with newer cores on it. Saying that it can offer up to 256 gigabytes of SD space, and like I said, with all these, the Anbernic really nails it with their screen. It's one of the beautiful screens out there for a cheap price. Speaking of price, I assume this thing should come out under $100. And for something preloaded, plug and play, it's going to sell like crazy. Now, as far as that logo, we've had these discussions before. I really don't see them dropping that Anbernic logo anytime soon, even though many people have expressed how, unnecessary it really is to have. Now, as far as playing your most favorite games and having long battery life and a good screen, I think it's going to hit all the notices. So it's not the perfect solution, and I still like something a little bit bigger with 2 analog sticks myself, but anyone trying to go after that original Game Boy look and that wood grain that a lot of people are going after, I think a lot of people are going to really like that. But whatever it may be, I think these Anbernic devices are really cool, especially for the price point. As far as I really feel like you only need one, but for those collectors out there, for those diehards, I think, having one of each is really not that crazy of an idea. And with some systems coming out for $200, $300, $400, these little cheapo devices really make fun collector's devices that are really capable of quite a bit and portable and great gifts as well. So keep it up, Anbernic. Will I be grabbing one of these? I'll definitely review one. Myself, I like the 351 form factor the best. And like I said, I wasn't joking. I'm still waiting for my 351M to arrive any day now. But, keep it coming because they're really great. But I'm not going to drop this. Can we please drop that logo already? Like, what the hell? All right, well, that's what I think. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.